Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for some more cleaning motivation. So I'm not sure about you, but something about cleaning in the morning just really puts me in the mood too. I'm not sure if it's just waking up early and making a cup of hot tea and like hearing the birds chirp and the sun come out. All of those things just put me in the mood to clean, and I honestly prefer cleaning in the morning over any other time during the day. Like I said in one of my previous videos, my morning routine, if I'm very productive in the morning, I usually have a productive day. So cleaning first off the bat in the morning definitely helps me become more productive during the day, and just something about it I absolutely love. So that is what this video is going to be, a early morning clean with me. So right now it is about 7:15 in the morning. My daughter had woken up. She's actually eating breakfast while I start to clean up the kitchen. So my favorite drink in the morning is a chai tea latte, and I absolutely love this vanilla creamer that I put in it. It is a very sweet, hot drink first off in the morning. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite beverage is to drink right in the morning when you wake up.
Yeah, come a little bit closer. Yeah, you're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, come a little bit closer. Yeah.
So typically every single night is when I run my dishwasher, and that way when I wake up in the morning I'm able to unload it, and then I start loading it right away after breakfast time, and I load it throughout the day, and that way by dinner time everything is going into the dishwasher, and then it gets cleaned overnight, and I do the same process over and over every single day. And if I happen to use like a dish that I need for dinner, if I used it during lunch, I will just go ahead and hand wash it, and then I will put it in the dishwasher after dinner.
Closer, yeah, I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time, because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah, I can finally start over, yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right.
So yesterday I got my Grove box, and I was super excited to get all of the products because I did like the cherry blossom scent, and I got a lot of just like fresh springy cleaning products, and I was super excited about them. But my Grove box showed up and I only had 2 products out of, I think it was 7 or 8 that actually showed up, and I called, and right away they knew that happened, so they quickly shipped out my next order, or like this order with all the products that I was missing. I should be getting that tomorrow, and I'm super excited to go ahead and use them all. But since I do a lot of cleaning on here, I'm sure a lot of you use Grove. If you have ordered and you saw that you're missing items, just call, because the lady was super nice and she was quickly able to fix the problem, and I've been hearing that it is happening more and more, I guess, with everything going on. Just like a little heads up in case you guys decide to order from there or something like that. But I wanted to go ahead and show you my view from this morning that I was doing the dishes. This is almost every single morning where the deer come out of the woods. I see turkeys every single morning. The birds are chirping, the sun. I have the mountains in the background. So doing dishes here, I can never complain. I can't be like to my husband, oh, I just don't want to do dishes, because the view is seriously amazing and I don't even mind doing them at all. Sometimes I hand wash them just to be at the sink longer, because I'm not just going to go stand there and look out the window. But it is an absolutely gorgeous view and I love it. My little one was extra clingy this morning, so she helped me wipe off this countertop. I'm getting her more involved with doing things, like she absolutely loves to help us bake, and she likes me to pull up the chair to the countertop just so she can kind of like be in whatever I'm doing as well. It's kind of cute and I absolutely love it. I can't wait till she's old enough to actually know how to bake with me and like cook with me, and I'm so excited for all of those moments. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carlie. I am a mama to that 1.5 baby girl you see running around. I have a husband and 2 dogs. You can see one of them right there. His name is Rex. He is our male. Our girl dog, Stella, she likes to sleep out in the garage, so that's why Rex is in all of my morning videos. I couldn't let them out right away because of the deer. I didn't want them to chase them or scare them off because, like I said, I love every time they come out of those woods and I get to watch them while I'm doing the dishes. But I do cleaning, organizing, motherhood, and lifestyle here on this channel, so if you guys are not subscribed, definitely go ahead. I would love to have you. And if you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much.
I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboys.
So to finish the kitchen, I'm quickly just going to go ahead and do a sweep and then just clean up some spots along the floor. Also, while I'm doing this recording, I'm sitting here and it is so loud, and I always notice this while I'm doing my voiceovers. We are like, so the 4 sides of our 60-acre property is lined with the Interstate 80, so the trucks are super loud, even though they're really far from our house. They are very loud, and I'm not sure if you guys can ever hear them in my videos, but if you do, that's what it is. Also, my husband races motocross, so he's always out back riding, and I can never find like a good time to do my voiceovers. So if you guys ever hear those noises, I am definitely very sorry.
Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust.
It is totally fine to judge me on my bedroom. I know it is an absolute mess, but I have my little sister staying here right now, so every night we've been having a slumber party, eating, just vegging out, watching Shark Tank almost every single night. So we have cups and food and trash in this bedroom, and it needed cleaned so bad. So we're gonna go ahead and tackle this. We're going to make the bed. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the floors and just wipe everything down. So I've been looking to getting new bedding because I just feel like I need it. I've had this bedding for a while now, and the thing on the bottom does not even match like the color of the sheets or anything. I'm not even sure what the thing on the bottom is called, but it's always just looks like a mess and does not look right. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and order some new bedding. Let me know down below if you think I should order white or if I should order cream, because the wall across from me where the TV is, that is a cream color. So I feel like that would just look really nice instead of the gray. Let me know down below what you guys think. If you guys think white bedding is a good idea or cream, or if you have another color, I'm totally up for any kind of options. I think I'm going to go ahead and order it from Macy's because I have a gift card there. So I think that's what I'm going to do, but my bedding just always looks terrible and the white part is always showing. I actually tucked it in today so you couldn't see that white showing. I feel like I need to go ahead and pull it over for now. I'm not sure. Let me know down below if you guys can help me. So all of these toys here in my room, believe it or not, Evelyn spends more time in here than she does anywhere else in the house. I mean, more time than in her playroom, in the living room, in her bedroom. She just loves to be in here and she loves to play in here. So instead of like dragging the toys in and out every single day, I just go ahead and tuck them behind this pillow and you can't even tell, but she knows that they are back there. So she grabs them when she comes in here and wants to play. But that is the story behind all of the toys in my bedroom.
So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you. Everything we were was just so pretty.
If you guys watch my videos, you know that this happens at least once every single time Evelyn goes ahead and jacks my phone and my tripod and she goes ahead and vlogs. But I'm going to go ahead and wipe down this dresser and then vacuum and then quickly go into the bathroom and clean that up. So I was actually just telling a few of my friends here from YouTube that this vacuum is semi-broken, which really irritates me because I got this a little bit later than Black Friday, like around Christmas time. I ordered it off Amazon. It is a Bissell and it doesn't suck completely. Like I'll say it sucks maybe 90% of everything up off the ground, but the hose part just completely stopped working. I'm not sure why. We did have a vacuum very similar to this before this vacuum, and that one only lasted about 8 months as well. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do or what kind of vacuum I want to get next. I definitely want to go ahead and splurge a little bit and get a nice one. So let me know down below if you guys have any vacuum recommendations. Next, we're going to go ahead and clean up this very messy bathroom, you guys. This is just it from one day. Like the amount of stuff that ends up in this bathroom is insane throughout the day because we pretty much use this bathroom, everybody in my house. Like even my little sister that's staying here, she uses the shower in here. Evelyn takes a bath in here. I take baths in here. My husband takes showers in here. So everything just gets cluttered and very messy. So if you guys are OGs to my channel, comment down below what those pumpkins are from, because Evelyn went up to her old room the other day and grabbed them and brought them down, and now she is learning the word pumpkin. But if you guys know where those are from, comment down below.
I wanted to dance until my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I could dance with you.
So I'm just going to go ahead and use the 7th generation antibacterial wipes to go ahead and wipe down the vanity. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I hope this gave you some cleaning motivation. Like I said, I absolutely love cleaning in the morning. Let me know down below what your favorite time of day to clean is. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. It struck me like lightning. You broke my